Hi everyone, welcome back to Collecting with Baby Ice 9119. I will be opening a Sid and Marty premium NFT Funko pack. Um 1,225 out of 12,500. So let's get started. Alright, let's see. Epic H&R Puffin Stuff. Rare Max Token Head. An Epic Clang. An Uncommon Jimmy. A common Freddy Funko Asleep Stack, an uncommon HR Puffin Stuff, a common Horatio Hoodoo, a common Cling, a rare Horatio Hoodoo, an uncommon Cling, a common Horatio. Oh my god, we pulled the legendary Jimmy mint number 2 out of 1,400. A common Freddy Funko Asleep Stack. A common Seymour Spider. And a rare Jimmy. So back to the legendary Jimmy number 2. That is awesome. View all. And we got an epic, rare, epic, uncommon, common, uncommon, common, a rare, an uncommon, a common, a legendary, a common, and a rare. So that was an awesome pack. Thank you all for stopping by and have a good night. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe.